Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet waistcoat crochet stitch. Yarn I am using is macrame and my needle is 4 mm. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Okay, now this waistcoat crochet stitch, it works quite well in round. Okay, you don't have to cut your yarn, you go on doing it. Okay, it is a front face technique. Okay, so it's like normally we go to end of the row and we turn a crochet work and again we start with the work. No, here we can't do that. Here it is a front face technique, so like if you are doing it in a flat linear way, so like you have to cut your yarn at the end of the row and again you have to start join your yarn from the starting of the second row and again do it. So by end of the row cut the yarn, starting of the row again join it. So in round you don't have to do that all process, it's like you go on doing it in round. So basically I'll be showing you in round now. For that first we made 21 chain crochet stitches and we joined first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, so we get a ring. See, I'm joining first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch and we get a ring. Okay, I'm just giving one round of single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now we start with waistcoat crochet stitch. Now see, in this stitch we are basically doing single crochet stitch only. Only thing is we need to stretch our loop bit longer. Okay, and then a normal single crochet. See, each time we yarn over and pull through. So this loop we are going to stretch it bit longer for every stitch. So we get a proper V. Yarn over, pull through, stretch it bit longer and make a single crochet stitch. I'll make some stitches and I'll show you how V we are getting. V. See, these types of we will be getting through our stitches when we stretch it bit longer, that loop. Okay, now I'll complete this whole round and I'll show you. Now this waistcoat stitch are basically V into V into V. So in next round we will start stitches in middle of every V. Okay, I'll just show you. First let me complete this whole row and I'll show you. Now we are done with the first round. We will go for the second round. Now see these V's. Okay, so we are going to make stitches for second round. Each time we will make a stitch inside that V, in middle of it. See, this is how. Same way we will stretch it longer and make a single crochet stitch. See, a V inside a V. Again we will make it, we will insert a needle in middle of that V and we will make a single crochet stitch. We will stretch that loop longer. Okay, see, we are getting that design V inside a V. So as your rounds goes on, so that looks more like a vine and you will like it. I'll just make 4-5 rounds so you will get a clear understanding of how it looks. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See how pretty it looks, just like a chain, like a vine going up. Okay, I hope so you have liked the video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. And like you will get many crochet tutorial for crochet applique, curtain tie back, crochet keychain, crochet amigurumi toys, and many 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 are there. So please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.